Tired of tediously updating the same animation elements over and over? Today, we're diving into symbol synchronization in Adobe Animate, a game changer that'll supercharge your animation workflow. Let's jump into how to make changes to a single element and have those changes reflected on all your animations. First, let's grab a basic shape. We'll start by drawing a simple circle. Using the oval tool, create your shape on the stage. Now, select your newly drawn shape, go to Modify, and Convert to Symbol. In the Convert to Symbol window, select Movie Clip, name your symbol, and click OK. This will create a symbol in your library. Drag multiple instances of your new symbol from the library onto your stage. This will give you options to work with. Now, double-click one of the symbol instances on the stage to enter its editing mode. It's like going inside the symbol itself. Inside the symbol's editing environment, modify the shape, change the color, resize it, or even add more shapes. Go to the stage. All instances of the updated symbol will have the changes because they are all linked. Edits made to one symbol are updated across all symbols. That's symbol synchronization in a nutshell. Now, you can easily manage and update multiple instances of the same object, saving you time and stress. With practice, you'll master this technique. Happy animating!